Alright, just got a kill with the Powerline 35 Daisy. Hold on now. Yep, got that kill. Oh wow, there's still a seed in his mouth. There's still a seed in his mouth from when he was eating. And that bird feeder right there, where that bird bath is, there is still a seed in his mouth. That's hilarious. That's funny. But yeah, went right through his wing, right into his lung area or heart. Oh yeah, that's a broken wing right there. Yep. Clean kill, went down fast. So yeah, that's pretty much all. At the Daisy with the 7 by 3 by 7 by 20. And yeah, that's all. More videos to come.